Life.
Hell yeah.
YouTube, what's going on with y'all? Y'all back, man, with your boy Josh Money here, Legal Life, in the building, back at the range. Finna just load up some ammo, get to shooting, man. We'll get back with y'all. Windy as hell out here, no reason. Waiting on my boy to get started, but 25 yards. Got a little something sweet for y'all today. Ooh, what's in the box? What's in the box? Drew, say what up to the people.
Yo, what up, bro?
My guy, follow his channel, GNS Guns and Snakes.
You
My
already
homie.
Yo, this is gonna be nice out here.
Of course. I'm gonna show y'all what's in the bag, but I ain't gonna show y'all what's in the bag right now. Y'all gonna have to wait for that, but we got in here. Okay, I got some flavors. XDs.
I just brought my
Smith.
nines. I just brought
Got a
nines in the
SIG.
7.62 today.
Got a Taurus.
And then I got my Beretta.
A Ruger. Bond arms. This nice
Something light.
Norenko.
Something light.
Yeah, we finna have some fun today. We'll get back with y'all. Word. Hit the mag release.
What? Block 48.
Shoot's nice, I like it.
Glock 48. Single stack 19. Bullseye. The Taurus, cause you know, cheap guns get cheap ammo.
From this shit, steel case.
I've been sitting on this shit since before the pandemic.
Look like baby AK rounds.
Look like Tokarev
Go ahead and
rounds.
put that back before I get some lead poisoning or something.
Yeah, you'll definitely get some lead poison from this shit. First time shooting the Taurus. Let's go.
Oh, what happened? Wait,
Probably
wait.
the round.
Let me see.
See if it's a light primer strike.
Light primer strike.
Yeah. Cheap
Yeah, you
ammo.
wanna put it back through?
Yeah, I'll put that back
See
in.
if it works. I did that with one the other day and it didn't even fucking go off.
Yeah, it'll go off. It had a restriker mechanism. I don't know why it didn't go off.
You don't want to restrike that shit.
Nah.
They don't like that.
That round's
Another
no
one?
good.
Is this the
Round's
same
no
one?
good. Yeah. It was definitely that round. Faulty.
Alright, we're gonna run the same ammo. You're gonna put it through the Beretta this time and we're gonna see if it feeds, if we got any light.
Oh yeah, not recommend to run this shitty ammo through a nice gun like this. This is like cheap ammo and it's like $1,000 gun.
Yeah, let's
But
not.
we're doing some testing.
We're gonna see how it works.
For y'all. Alright, let's see how smooth this bitch runs. Ooh, she cycles smooth too. Wow. You could smell. This ammo stinks.
Filthy. Did it do it again? Nope.
Nah.
Nope. Just didn't lock back. Yeah,
That's the
like-
difference
like how she
between a
shoot.
$200-something gun versus a $1,000 gun.
Big difference, brother.
And they're both clear, by the way. They're both clear. What you think? AK time? Okay. That's the AK goodness right there. Woo. That mag's full too.
Yeah, that's what you brother. Go ahead and get you some. Yeah, not bad at all. I like her.
The Kalashnikov.
Oh, he's doing that. He gonna make me break something out, man. We gonna go ahead and see. Go ahead, hold this for me, brother. We gonna show him what's in the bag.
Oh, you gonna break out the bag?
Show him what's in the bag.
He's gonna break out the bag on. My camera's over there in the distance, all lonely. Yo, break out this machine right
Oh,
here.
my baby.
Ooh, he spent some money on this one. You know, our state ain't too friendly. Ooh,
Not bad. How you like it, brother?
that's the babies right there. That's the babies.
Yeah, we going.
With the hollow side. Hey,
Yeah. You good? You got it recording?
yeah, I recorded now.
All right, ready?
I missed the first one. Golly.
Word.
I'll shoot a few. Pop back a little bit on that. Let's pop this one in. Wow.
Yeah.
That thing is fucking nice.
Smooth, brother. That's my
yeah.
baby. H2 Buffer 2 from Aero Precision. Yeah.
That muzzle brake is like fucking sick.
Yeah, she's nice. This is what I did. I done grabbed this motherfucker. Stupid as hell.
That's pretty funny. Ooh, golly. I gotta say though, I think shoots like butter.
You know what I'm saying? Let's see how this shit is.
Yeah. Load them up, brother. Let me get the camera. Load them up. You can shoot 40 through a 10 mil. It's like 380 and a 9. But it really wants this. But it's getting this. 40 short and weak. That's the 29, Glock 29. With the melted mag release. Still bust. Yep. I knew she wasn't gonna have no problems. I knew she wasn't. We don't have to worry about no. Oh,
Lost one.
oh well.
Let me know when you're ready.
All right, ready? Go.
I was getting pelted in the head, nigga. I had to fucking duck real quick. I'm like, oh shit.
All right, shooting 40. Let's go. Low, ready?
Go ready.
Set, go.
That's it, man. We out of here. Nice little range. Legal Life Firearms, GNS Guns and Snakes, man. Holla at me. Next time, YouTube.